What if I told you stronger legs start not in the gym, but in your own bed? While you sleep, your body repairs and rebuilds muscle, making your legs stronger and steadier. Many think muscle is built through intense workouts, but the real magic happens during rest. Even gentle activity, like a walk or simple leg lifts, signals your body to strengthen your muscles. The real construction begins at night, using the nutrients you've provided. You don't need to be a marathon runner. Just give your body the right tools before bed. A small, smart ritual before sleep can help your legs grow stronger every night. Forget the idea that strength only comes from sweat and strain. Embrace a kinder approach. Support your body's natural repair process while you rest. The journey to confident, steady legs can start tonight. All it takes is a simple bedtime habit. After 60, many notice it's harder to stand up or climb stairs. This is often due to sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. Weaker legs can affect confidence and independence, making everyday tasks feel daunting. Fear of falling can lead to moving less, which only speeds up muscle loss. But this decline isn't inevitable. Science shows we can rebuild muscle and regain strength at any age. The path to steadier legs starts with understanding and taking action. Here's the truth. Exercise breaks muscle down, but rest rebuilds it. Simple activities create tiny tears in muscle fibers, signaling your body to repair and strengthen them. The real rebuilding happens during deep sleep, when growth hormone is released. Your muscles use nutrients, especially protein, to patch and reinforce themselves. If you don't provide the right building blocks before bed, your body can't repair as effectively. Protein, made of amino acids, is essential for this process. A nighttime protein boost ensures your muscles have what they need to grow stronger. Without it, your body may even break down other muscle to get what it needs. By fueling your body before sleep, you turn rest into a powerful tool for strength. This is the smart, gentle way to build muscle. So, what's the best way to fuel your muscles overnight? A warm, milk-based drink is an easy, effective option. Milk contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles all night. Add a pinch of turmeric for recovery and cinnamon for flavor and blood sugar support. Stir in chia seeds for extra protein and fiber. Warm your milk, mix in the ingredients, and enjoy before bed. This soothing ritual nourishes your muscles while you sleep. It's a simple act of self-care with lasting benefits. Let your bedtime drink become your nightly strength secret. Strong legs are the foundation of independence and confidence. Each night you nourish your body, you invest in a steadier tomorrow. Improvements may be gradual, but they're real and meaningful. About 30 minutes before bed, prepare your warm, nourishing drink. Sip, relax, and let your body do its work while you sleep. No drastic changes or gym memberships needed. Just one small, consistent action. This nightly ritual is a powerful message of support to your body. Start tonight and wake up stronger with every sunrise.